Hello everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. I hope your day is going good. Thanks for joining me today. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comments below so I can post more videos. So today I will be doing Christmas card, and this is 4¼ by 5" cardstock, and this is the sizzix die I'll be using for this project. Also, this is the die I have already cut it, and the part of it I'll be using for this card. Now after this, I will also use for the background from this paper pad. It's beautiful. It has lots of different papers. It's beautiful Christmas paper pad. I love those papers, and these are so good. I'm trying to see which background will be good for that. So this is beautiful. I think it will look nice on this also, but I'm looking for something lighter background, so I'm going to see if I can use this paper. Yeah, it looks much better now. I think I will use this one, but it's like so pretty on both the sides, and I think I just have to choose one and use it. So I'm going to use this for the background. And even these are so good on the other side. So this is the one I'll be using for this project. So I'm using my cutter. Now I'm going to cut the designer paper. I have cut like around 4½ by 4", and then I'm going to stamp before I put everything together. So I'm going to use my stamp. I'm going to place it and see where exactly I can keep the stamp. Now I'm using blue archival ink, and I'm going to stamp it. This is the stamp I'm using. Now I'm going to use my double-sided tape. Now I'm going to stick it on the cardstock. Now I'm going to stick this die cut on the background paper and go to the next step. I'm going to stick this die on the card using regular glue. Now I was thinking like I should keep something along with the trees, so I have this cardstock and this is the deer die. I'm going to use my mini die cut machine and I'm going to cut that and then stick it on the card. That is the deer, which is a cute one. So now I am going to stick that also in between the trees. Now to give a little shine, I'm using it's a snowflake, small tiny snowflake, I should say like a glittery bling. So I'm going to be sticking those also on the card because I thought it needs some shine. I loved this card, it turned out very good. So so it's nice and shiny. So if you like my project, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comments below so I can post more new videos with new ideas. I hope you enjoyed it, and here are some of the close-up pictures of this card. I will see you in my next project. Thanks guys, bye.